Change one thing, change everything. This proverbial saying is linked to the concept of butterfly effect, which suggests that making a slight difference at one point can have a great impact in your life. The challenge is to know what changes will make a difference. Should we attend the party? Spend our birthday money on the game? Forgive that friend who hurt us? Let's dive in and explore this topic in the next episode of Dare to Hear. Stay tuned. Just as wave of a butterfly wings may influence more than we can think, our choices are also important, even the smallest ones. For example, eating a piece of fruit may not seem like a big deal, but when it's the fruit of the tree of knowledge, good and evil, that confusion is fundamental. Today's choices can have eternal significance. As the people prepared at last to enter the promised land, God told the Israelites,
"This day I call the heavens and the earth as witnesses against you that I have set before you life and death, blessings and curses. Now choose life, so that you and your children may live."
Every day we make choices that shapes our lives. The question is, do they reflect the will of God for us? Sometimes we may think that an action immediate benefit is worth whatever long-term outcome may result. In reality, we are responsible for all our choices and the consequences that they may have. God desires the goodness for us. That's why, not only for the God pleasure, but for our own sake.
So whether you eat or drink or whatever you do it all for the glory of God.
Thank you so much for staying until the end of this video. If you like what you saw, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. And if you want to know more about similar interesting topic like this one, check maybe this video.